Alright. Calling meeting. Seriously, Tadarua. There's been too many fights lately. Too many fights. It's not good enough.
So in the last 2 weeks we've had the most fights that I've ever seen ever since I've been in this school, and it's not a good idea. I mean, it's really bad because we've got Tadarua kids in here, and I mean we need to sort this, hit it on the head. Guys, you listening? Guys, come on.
What the hell, Paddy? What? Why are you looking at my boyfriend for?
I can't help it if he wants me.
Why are you looking at my boyfriend for?
I'm pretty sure he's looking at me too. I'm pretty sure he is. Why are you jealous of me? Why are you jealous of me?
My boyfriend.
Why?
Don't touch him.
I'm pretty sure he wants me. It's not my fault if he wants me. It's not my fault if he wants me.
Wait. Get out.
You wanna fight? Is that what you want?
Let's do this right now.
Right now? Right here?
Bring it.
We're at Fryeburg High School, we do not fight. You're not cool if you're fighting, alright? You're not cool if you're in a gang, you're not cool if you're egging it on, and you're not cool if you don't tell anyone that there's a fight going on. Guys, do the right thing, be Fryeburg proud, and help everyone out.
Cool.